Oh, 2022, how do we sum you up? Buyers were fed up with the market and needed a break. Sellers hit all-time highs and then got shocked with the market near the end of the year. Bank of Canada kept beating us down with rate increase after rate increase. And more importantly, real estate became real again. I'm going to provide some 2023 market predictions in this video. Hey everybody, my name is Rene and I run a real estate team in the Oakville, Burlington, and Hamilton region. If you find this video helpful and you like it, please don't forget to give us a like. Also, if this content is something that you like seeing time after time, please subscribe to our channel. And lastly, if there's something in this video that we missed or you would like more information on, you can book a one-to-one meeting with myself. Just click the link in the description and I'd be more than happy to talk about anything real estate. Also, if you haven't checked out our YouTube channel, please do. We got a lot of great information here, anything from listings to tons of data and stats. We've got bloopers. If you haven't checked out my bloopers, you got to check it out. But yeah, we love to have fun here at Team Rene, and we always put as much real estate related content as possible. We'd love to get some feedback as well in your comments. So if we look at the inventory versus 2021, it went up tremendously, anywhere from 400 to almost 1100%. That's huge. The sales, they were down anywhere from 26 to 44%. And then if we look at the heat of the market in January and February versus December of last year, we did notice the detached market was down anywhere from 14 to 27%. We did notice that the townhouse market was down anywhere from 16 to 36%. And the condo market was down anywhere from 6 to 33%. Now, buyers, they had a good time. They were able to negotiate anywhere from 5 to 7% over the last 3 to 6 months, which is great for them. Now, if you all remember in 2017, when the market went bananas as well, it did take a while to correct itself. In some cases, it took 6 months to about a year or even longer. So hopefully we see a bit of a correction over the next 6 months, and we can be talking about positive prices by next spring or hopefully next summer. So let's have a look at how the cities performed and analyze this. So if we look at Oakville numbers, obviously the market adjusted quite a bit versus the previous year. It went down 5% for detached. The townhouse market went down 23% versus last year. This is a surprise. The condo market actually went up about 26% versus last December, which is bananas. But hey, the most important thing here that we all have to look at when we're comparing these numbers, it's actually looking at how has your home performed in the last few years. I know looking at it like on an annual basis can get a little bit scary when we look at these numbers, but if we look at the actual numbers over the last 3 years, the detached house market in Oakville is up about 11%, the townhouse market is up around 6% per year, and the condo market's up about 11% per year. This is how we analyze the market, and we always tell clients that you got to look at data a certain way. You just can't look at it in 1 year. Now, let's talk about how did Oakville perform versus the beginning of the year. This is a very interesting one. If we look at the hype of the market around January, we did notice that the detached house market adjusted about 14%. The townhouse market adjusted 36% versus the hype of the market, and the condo market only went down about 6%, which is pretty good. Now, let's have a look at Burlington and compare the numbers here as well. Burlington went down about 13% for the detached market, 22% for the townhouse market, and 15% for the condo market. Now, if we look at the numbers again and compare how has Burlington done over the last few years, since 2019, on average, we noticed about 9% increase for the detached homes. We noticed 11% for the townhouse, and we noticed 11% for the condo. So we always got to look at things over a few years, not just 1 year. Now let's look at Burlington versus the hype of the market in January, and let's see how it did. So Burlington detached homes adjusted about 27% versus the hype of the market, which is just crazy. If we look at the townhouse market, it adjusted about 26%, and condos adjusted 33%. So huge adjustments all around, which is good because the market we were in over the last year or so was just unrealistic. Now, Let's look at Hamilton and see how Hamilton performed. So the detached market went down, or it adjusted about 11% versus the previous year. The townhouse market went down about 10%, and the condo market went down about 15%. But as you can see, 2021 numbers were astronomical. So this adjustment is a good thing. Now, if you've lived in the home since 2019, here's some stats that are good. And you need to know these because it puts you at ease. The detached house market has gone up about 7.5% per year. The townhouse market has gone up about 15% per year, which is huge. And the condo market, a modest 5% per year, which not bad. Now, let's see how Hamilton did in terms of the hype of the market. And if we look at this was big, like the hype of the market, we see a drop of about 19% for detached, 16% for townhouses, and 16% for the condo market. So it's a good thing that the market has been adjusting. We got to keep an eye on it. So here's my final thoughts and 2023 predictions. Number one, I feel that the prices will improve and be positive closer to the fall, sometime around September or October. Number two, I feel that inventory is just going to keep getting higher and higher throughout the year. Number three, I feel that the sales will increase come end of Q1, early Q2. Number four, interest rates. I don't see them slowing down, and I feel that we're going to see a bunch more, and this is something that we have to deal with, and it could be the norm for a good chunk of the year. Number five, the townhouse market could see huge opportunity in terms of appreciation. I feel there's going to be a lot of demand for townhomes going into 2023. And the last one, in terms of stats and tracking numbers, we are going to have to do a very good job tracking on a month-to-month basis because this market's just going to be so unpredictable, and we will look at it year over year, but month to month is so critical going into 2023. I hope this video helps, and if it does, please give us that thumbs up. Also, if you like this content and you want to see more, subscribe. We really appreciate you watching. Leave us any comments. If there's something that we didn't cover in the video, please click the link in the description, and I'd love to book a one-to-one with you and talk about anything and everything real estate. My name is Rene. We live here, so should you.